We were just talking, and I was asking what makes a Filipina angry. And she said there's two things that make a Filipina angry. So, foreigners like me, listen up. Two things that make a Filipina angry. And I think I got one coming. Maybe.
Guys,
do I have one coming?
I'm referring in general. First, it's cheating issue.
I don't have that one. I'm not gonna have that one.
Second, it's not necessary. For the second one, it's not really necessary that, you know, like, because my example before is no food on the table. We don't get mad at that easily, because we can find ways to like look for money to, you know, to buy food.
I think I want to continue. She
No.
lost her train of thought, so now we're back. She got her
because
train back.
I
Choo
want
choo!
because I want to, you know, like, I don't want to offend anyone for my comment, for my opinion.
We're always offending people. Look at the comments. In fact, I've been deleting more lately because I just
Yeah,
get
that's
tired
why
of
they
them.
say that we're boring. Let's go back to the topic. What makes a Filipina angry?
Two reasons.
Number one is a cheating issue. And number two is like no money and no food on the table. Because how can you survive if you don't have money? So it's either you look for a job, both of you. So that your life will be peaceful, harmoniously. And also there's not only two vices like alcohol. Filipina don't like alcoholic partner. Even locals, even local guy, we don't like that. Like, when you came from your work, when you get home, you see your partner drunk, and then sometimes when the husband or the partner came home, they're drunk and looking for food and no food on the table because there's no money to buy food. Like, imagine that. Like, you can afford to buy alcohol but you cannot afford to buy food for your family. That's what's make us furious. Yeah, not just angry, furious. Like, you become an evil woman just because of that situation. Yeah, because we're not thinking about ourselves. It's also for the children. Yeah, because if you're just like, for example, we don't have we don't have a baby. Yeah, we don't have a baby.
She keeps reminding me there's no baby in my tummy.
Because guys,
said it again
in the
today.
morning, he rubs my tummy, and I always told him, "There's no baby there."
Sorry.
No baby yet. Yeah, so let's get back to the topic. Yeah, so just like, for example, for us, we don't have a baby, and then sometimes we're struggling financially. It doesn't make me angry if we struggle financially, because we still have food to eat. We can go anywhere. It's just that there's a certain, you know, things that we want that we can't afford yet. So just close your eyes and think. Like, okay, in the future we can have this. Yeah, just like that. So there's no need for me to get angry if we can't achieve that on the spot. Yeah, so on the other hand, like, you know, irresponsible partner. If you have a irresponsible partner, not a good provider, that's what makes us angry. So sometimes if like if you are more considerate woman, you decided to work abroad. Yeah, that's the time that you decided to work abroad just for the sake of your family. You want to provide for the studies of your children. And also there's a lot of Filipina here, like when they decided to work abroad, their partner or husband become more irresponsible. Yeah, because they have money. They can spend to buy more alcohol, and they can even cheat because they can afford to finance their mistresses. Yeah. So that's what makes us angry. Number one, the cheating issue. Number two, no money. Number three, like alcoholic partner, and also gambling.
Oh,
Yes.
so you're getting bonus ones. We started
Yeah.
off with just
Gambling.
the two reasons why she gets
And
angry.
also
So now
about
you got
the
bonus
gambling-
content.
The gambling issue is like, because there is this, I don't know what's their mentality. Like, okay, I have this money. If I put this in the casino or cards play or online gambling or cockfight gambling, I think this become double or triple. Yeah, that's their mindset. Gambler,
I have a
things
question.
like that.
I have a question. Didn't you gamble the other day?
No.
We were in the mall. You went
It's
up
because no,
the lottery thing.
no,
Isn't
it's
that
just
gambling?
a lottery, and I don't do that every day.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
Once in a while.
Yeah, once in a while.
You don't
just,
consider that gambling?
Just like, no, it's not, because I'm not addicted to that.
I think it is.
No. Because we can do that online, but I didn't do it. And then, just like, for example, my dad, yes, he's a gambler. So, his mentality is like that. Once he have this little money, just go to it's a poker player, something like that, ba? It's a card games, yes,
Yeah,
baraha.
card games, yeah. Poker.
Yeah. And then he came back like dawn time once he doubled his money. Yeah. But the fact that even if he doubled his money, there's a lot of instances that he loses his money.
So it doesn't really balance out.
Yeah. And also your health deteriorated because you don't have sleep. You don't have sleep. You can't even eat properly because you're so eager to make more money. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a real,
Yes,
yeah, it's
yes.
a real
Yeah.
thing like that.
That's why
Addiction, I guess.
my dad, he was sick at young age. Yes. No lack of sleep, no proper, diet. Yeah, I think the cause of his illness is lack of sleep.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
due to gambling.
Wow, that's something.
Yeah, that's why we're thankful that his children didn't follow his steps. Yeah, we are three siblings, so I'm the eldest, and all of us didn't do that. Yes.
So we have 4 reasons now how to get your Filipina angry, or how not to get your Filipina
Yeah,
angry, with the top
because-
2 that we mentioned.
Because according to my mom, when dad always go to the card games, mom during at night like 12 or 1 a.m. he even pick up stone and throw stone in that house just to to tell my dad, go home, it's already midnight.
So mom was out trying to get dad to go home by throwing
Yeah.
rocks at the house.
Yes. But
Way to go,
that's
Mom.
that's only one time, and she didn't do it again. Yeah, because she just let dad do his things. Yeah,
You have
Yeah.
a good mom. You really do. You really have
Yeah.
a good mom.
because mom, just according to mom, like, I don't want to stress myself chasing your dad where he is. Like, I just want to make living. Yeah, to provide for the family. That's it.
Okay, so now just sticking with that, the second of our top 2 reasons what makes a Filipina angry is the money issue. So like, I'm an independent contractor from Canada, so my income's in Canada, it's not here. I don't work in the Philippines, okay? My income's in Canada. But like some of my income prospects have been dripping off a little. So if I start losing my money, is it going to make you angry?
No.
Tell me why. Why is that difference? I guess I'm just trying to show like the foreigners, like, because you're saying basically lack of money is going to make a Filipino angry, but you're telling me no, it's not going to make you angry if I'm losing some income.
Because I already stated in this video that if you are a considerate woman, you can also find ways to help your partner. So in my part, since I don't have work, just work. That's it. Why should I get angry?
Yeah. You also mentioned, which is a good point, I think earlier, you mentioned an irresponsible person. So that seems to suggest that the guy doesn't really care too much about making the income.
Yes.
Which is different than if he's losing your income.
Yeah. So imagine guys, most of here in the Philippines, like you're struggling financially, but you can still have like, even if you can't provide well to your family, you still have time to cheat. You still have time to buy alcohol. You still have time to buy cigarettes. You still have time to unwind with your friends. It doesn't make sense. That's the most that we really get mad. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the reason.
So we got lots of things to ponder as a foreigner. If you're lining up your Filipina to meet over here, some things to think about and be cautious about, and just think about it overall.
Anyway, why should I get angry with you if you don't have money? You're a good guy.
I love you.
Well,
the Bible says no man's good but one. That's Jesus. But thank you for your kind sentiment, though.
No, it's just really generous and a good partner to me, and especially to my family.
I feel
so that's why I love him so much.
I love you. She's very kind, very loving, very caring, very considerate. And I love her focus on God. That's her heart, and that's what really attracts me the most, along with everything else. But I really love her focus on God. So anyway, that's it for us. Check out our website, which has all our channels, beautifulbabylove.com, and there's a donate button there. That's what I'd really appreciate if you click that donate button, because it puts money in her bank account, not mine, hers, and she helps a lot of people. She really does. And so hit the donate button at beautifulbabylove.com. We appreciate it. She appreciates it especially.
God bless everyone.